The ocean, a vast and enigmatic realm, has captivated humanity since the dawn of our existence. Its sheer size and depth, covering more than 70% of our planet's surface, make it one of the most mysterious and awe-inspiring features of Earth. The ocean's vastness is not just a physical attribute, but a symbol of the unknown, a frontier that has always beckoned us to explore and understand its secrets. Its depths, teeming with life unseen, have sparked curiosity and ignited our imaginations for millennia. The ocean is home to an estimated 2.2 million species, many of which remain undiscovered. This biodiversity is a testament to the ocean's role as a cradle of life, a place where the most extraordinary forms of existence thrive in an intricate web of ecosystems. From ancient seafaring civilizations to modern explorers, the allure of the underwater world has been a constant throughout history. Ancient mariners, guided by the stars and the rhythms of the sea, ventured into the unknown, driven by a mix of necessity and curiosity. Today, modern technology allows us to dive deeper and stay longer, yet the sense of wonder remains unchanged. Early civilizations, reliant on the sea for sustenance and trade, developed a deep respect for its power and mystery. The sea was both a provider and a destroyer, offering bountiful harvests and treacherous storms. This duality fostered a complex relationship with the ocean, one that was reflected in their art, literature, and mythology. Legends of sea monsters and lost cities under the waves populated mythology, reflecting both the awe and fear that the ocean inspired. These stories, passed down through generations, were not just tales of fantasy, but expressions of the human psyche grappling with the unknown. The ocean, with its hidden depths and unseen creatures, became a canvas for our deepest fears and grandest imaginations. This fascination, however, was tempered by our limitations as terrestrial beings, confined to the surface and unable to fully experience the wonders that lay beneath. The surface of the ocean, while beautiful, is merely a gateway to the vast, unexplored world below. For centuries, our inability to dive deep and stay submerged limited our understanding and interaction with this underwater realm. The desire to explore the underwater realm led to the development of early diving techniques. These pioneers, equipped with rudimentary gear, took the first steps into a new world. Their bravery and ingenuity laid the groundwork for the sophisticated diving technology we have today. Early divers faced numerous challenges, from limited air supply to the dangers of decompression sickness, yet their efforts opened the door to underwater exploration. Divers, holding their breath, plunged into the depths, their time limited by the air in their lungs. These early expeditions were brief but filled with discovery. Each dive revealed new species, new landscapes, and new mysteries. The thrill of these discoveries fueled a growing passion for oceanography and marine biology, disciplines that continue to expand our knowledge of the ocean. These daring ventures, though restricted, provided glimpses into a world teeming with life and beauty, further fueling the desire to unlock the secrets of the deep. Coral reefs, with their vibrant colors and diverse inhabitants, became symbols of the ocean's richness. Schools of fish, moving in perfect harmony, showcased the intricate balance of marine ecosystems. Each encounter with this underwater world deepened our appreciation and respect for the ocean. Despite our progress, the ocean remains a largely unexplored frontier. The deep sea, with its crushing pressures and perpetual darkness, is one of the last great mysteries of our planet. Even with advanced submersibles and remote-operated vehicles, we have only scratched the surface of what lies beneath. The challenges of deep-sea exploration are immense, but so are the potential rewards. Its depths, shrouded in darkness and pressure, present formidable challenges to human exploration. The technology required to withstand these conditions is complex and expensive, yet the pursuit of knowledge drives us to innovate and push the boundaries of what is possible. Each expedition into the deep sea brings new discoveries, from bizarre creatures adapted to extreme environments to geological formations that reshape our understanding of Earth's history. Yet the human spirit, driven by an unquenchable thirst for knowledge and a yearning to connect with the natural world, continues to seek ways to overcome these obstacles and unlock the full potential of the ocean realm. Our fascination with the ocean is not just about discovery, but about understanding our place in the natural world as we continue to explore and learn. we are reminded of the ocean's vital role in sustaining life on Earth and the importance of preserving its health for future generations. Our terrestrial origins, while shaping our evolution and success as a species, have also imposed limitations on our ability to explore the underwater world. Our dependence on oxygen, a gas readily available in the atmosphere but scarce in the ocean depths, presents a fundamental challenge. For centuries, our underwater explorations were limited to brief forays, holding our breath or relying on rudimentary diving bells. The invention of scuba gear, a revolutionary breakthrough, allowed us to stay submerged for longer periods, but still tethered us to the surface with the need for air tanks and decompression stops. These technological advancements, while significant, only offer a glimpse into the vastness of the ocean. We remain, in essence, visitors to an alien world, constrained by our physiology and dependent on artificial means to survive. The dream of moving freely through the ocean depths, as effortlessly as marine animals, remains elusive. The quest to overcome our aquatic limitations has driven scientific innovation, pushing the boundaries of biology and engineering. This relentless pursuit has led to groundbreaking research and development in various fields, aiming to unlock the secrets of underwater breathing. Researchers are exploring a range of possibilities, from artificial gills that extract oxygen from water. These artificial gills are designed to mimic the natural process used by fish, allowing humans to potentially stay submerged for extended periods without the need for traditional scuba gear, to genetic modifications that could enhance our own respiratory systems. By altering our DNA, scientists hope to create humans who can naturally extract oxygen from water, much like aquatic animals. This could revolutionize not only underwater exploration, but also open new frontiers in medical science. Inspired by the remarkable adaptations of marine animals, scientists are developing artificial gills that mimic the way fish extract oxygen from water. These adaptations have evolved over millions of years, providing a rich source of inspiration for modern technology. These devices, still in their early stages, hold the promise of allowing humans to breathe underwater without the need for bulky tanks. Imagine a future where divers can explore the depths of the ocean with the same ease as walking on land, thanks to these innovative breathing apparatuses. Genetic engineering offers another tantalizing, albeit controversial, possibility. Techniques like CRISPR allow for precise modifications to our genetic code, potentially enabling humans to develop new respiratory capabilities. However, this approach raises ethical questions and concerns about unintended consequences. By studying the unique physiology of marine mammals, such as whales and dolphins, scientists hope to unlock the secrets of their exceptional respiratory systems. These animals can hold their breath for extended periods and dive to incredible depths, offering valuable insights into enhancing human capabilities. Could these discoveries pave the way for genetic modifications that enhance our own lung capacity, or even allow us to extract oxygen from water? The potential applications are vast, ranging from deep-sea exploration to medical treatments for respiratory conditions. While these technologies remain in the realm of science fiction for now, the rapid pace of scientific advancement suggests that what seems impossible today could become reality sooner than we think. The future holds exciting possibilities, and the quest to explore the frontiers of science continues to drive human ingenuity and innovation. Breathing underwater is but one hurdle in the quest to inhabit the ocean. The dream of living beneath the waves has fascinated humanity for centuries, inspiring countless works of fiction and scientific inquiry. However, turning this dream into reality involves overcoming a series of formidable challenges. The deep sea presents a myriad of challenges to human survival, from crushing pressure and frigid temperatures to the need for alternative food sources and the complexities of navigating a three-dimensional world. The ocean is a vast, uncharted territory, with conditions that are often hostile to human life. The human body, adapted for life on land, is ill-equipped to withstand the immense pressure found at depth. As we descend, the pressure increases dramatically, posing significant risks to our physiology. Every 10 meters of seawater exerts an additional atmosphere of pressure, enough to crush a human lung with ease. This means that even at relatively shallow depths, the pressure can become life-threatening without proper equipment. Even if we could breathe underwater, venturing deeper would require innovative technologies and physiological adaptations to withstand these extreme conditions. Advanced diving suits and breathing apparatuses are just the beginning. We would need to develop materials and technologies that can endure the harsh underwater environment. The ocean depths are notoriously cold, with temperatures hovering near freezing. This extreme cold poses another significant challenge to human habitation. Our bodies, accustomed to a constant internal temperature, would struggle to regulate heat in such an environment. Hypothermia is a real danger as the body loses heat much faster in water than in air. Specialized suits or genetic modifications that enhance our thermoregulation would be essential for survival. These suits would need to be equipped with advanced insulation and heating systems to maintain a stable body temperature. Genetic modifications could potentially offer a more integrated solution, allowing humans to adapt more naturally to the cold. Beyond pressure and temperature, sourcing food underwater presents another challenge. Traditional farming methods are impractical in the ocean, necessitating the development of alternative food sources. Underwater farming and aquaculture could provide sustainable solutions, but these methods require significant innovation and adaptation. Navigating the underwater world is also complex. Unlike on land, where we move in 2 dimensions, the ocean requires 3-dimensional navigation. Advanced mapping and communication systems would be crucial for safe and efficient movement underwater. These systems would need to account for the unique challenges of the underwater environment, such as limited visibility and the effects of water on signal transmission. In conclusion, while the idea of living underwater is captivating, it comes with a host of challenges that must be addressed. From pressure and temperature to food sources and navigation, each obstacle requires innovative solutions and significant advancements in technology. However, with continued research and development, the dream of a submerged existence may one day become a reality.